Searching far and wide for love that could only be found in you. Perfect always is your unfailing love. It's all in you, my Jesus. Never changing, never failing. Yeah, yeah. Searching far and wide for love that could only be found. So perfect, always. It's your unfailing love. It's all in my Jesus, my Jesus. Oh, never changing, never failing. Oh, your love is all around. Never failing. All of my scars, all my mistakes, you washed away. You got me singing like never changing, never failing. Your love is all around.
Said I was bound, but now I'm free. Oh yeah, yeah. Said he took the chains off of my feet. I mean, show me life so differently. You took the shackles away, away. Imagine me being free, trusting you totally. I said imagine me being free, trusting you. Set the whole world is sinking on Santa, and the people are lifting you high. Set the whole world is sinking on Santa, and the people are here. Help me sing goes
shine for my logo. My 10 over 10. Jesus be my logo. Can I hear in the man? Then I was found, I was free. Before I was blind, I was see. Why won't I give you my praise? When you took all my shackles away. Imagine me being free. Trust in you now, totally. I said imagine me being free. Trust in you totally. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, and the people he lifting you higher. Yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, and the people are here. Help me sing Hosanna, Hosanna, singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Help me sing Hosanna, Hosanna, for who you are, for who you are.
The shackles on my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you. And you broke the chain so I can lift my hand. I just wanna come on. I just wanna come on.
The shackles on my feet so I can dance. Yeah. I just want to praise you. Yeah. I just want to praise you. And you broke the chain so I can use my hands. Oh God, I just want to rob. Yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, and the people he lifting you higher. Yeah. Got the whole world singing Hosanna, oh, na, na, and the people are here.
Help me sing Hosanna, 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 singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Help me sing Hosanna, Hosanna, for what He's done, for what He's done. Hosanna.
My shackles, shackles, yeah. The shackles on me. My shackles on me.
What's up, chat? What's up, gang? How you guys doing? Happy Monday, everybody. Happy Monday. How you guys doing? Drop some energies in the chat. Good morning, gang. Good morning. Shout out to 17 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Want to see some energies in the chat. Drop the energies in the chat. Let's go.
Cause you're there for me, oh. And every time I fall, more you hold me from my back. I be your baby, oh. On my case, you are on my case. You know they follow me, go my way. On my case, you are on my case. Ay, 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 ay. Never leave me lonely. Every time I call your name, you they answer me. So I trust your ways. You are full of grace. Mighty are your ways. For me, I know they want because you give my side. I know they ever fear because you give my side. So me, I know they want because you give my side. I know they ever fear.
Check. Hey, whoa, yeah, yeah. I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Why you judging me, you judge yourself, ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, and if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best word. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light.
Yo, let's go chat. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. Let's go, gang. Drop the energies in the chat.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still be alive. So,
What's up,
so
gang?
for
What's
me.
up?
Pray
How
for
you guys
YG.
doing?
Pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, HJ,
What's up,
and Clem.
Fatima? What's up,
Indian
John?
Ty.
How you
Never been
doing?
squad.
Shout out to
Gotta pray for
16
Teddy,
viewers
gotta pray
right
for
now.
Lady.
Let's see what's in the
Big S
chat.
and Lil S, I love them both the same.
Let's see what's in the chat here. Let me know what's in the chat here right now. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go.
Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking a 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swang through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane.
Omar, I like this vibe.
And last but definitely not
Check. Hey, whoa, yeah. I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm
Hey.
so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. When you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for.
Yo, chat, drop some energies in the chat. Let's go.
I'm so happy I can see the light. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, 'cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, and if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are His best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that He loves you and He can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, 'cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today.
All right, gang. What's up? What's up, everybody? How you guys doing? What's up, Riz? What's up, Jov? How's everybody doing? Shout out to 27 viewers right now. Damn, I love the energy, chap. Once in the morning, you wake up in the morning, you need the energy, right? We need some energy, so you guys need energy too. Energy is your currency here, chat. Energy is your currency. All right. We're moving up. Let me see monthly here. Who's ready for the day, gang? Who's ready for the day? Let me do the top down here. All right. Yeah, let's do the top down here. Let's start with this monthly time frame. So, the monthly time frame close with exhaustion week. Heavy exhaustion week here, around 3,000 pips, or I don't know, 3,000 pips, right? Yeah, around almost 4,000 pip. Okay, so we do, if I'm gonna do the top down here, there is support. The support is down here. So right now we don't have any resistance yet on the monthly candle, monthly time frame, right? But if in this particular price, I always mark the highs here. This is gonna be psychological resistance on the monthly, because that's the previous high that we made on price. So the overall range is this, right? It's 10,000 pip, 11,000 pip range on the monthly, I'd say monthly time frame, right? So yeah, there is a high chance that we can fill this range, fill the wick, because it's clean traffic, right? But on the month, for me, I'd say filling the wick on the left, you need at least the liquidity to move down. You need at least the bottom wick to move down to fill the wick, right? I'd say this kind of bottom wick is not enough for you to push up, because it's a small bottom wick. You need at least bigger bottom wick. It's like a rubber band, like the liquidity to push up, right? So that's the monthly. Let's drop down to the weekly here. So the weekly, as you can see, we have 2 weeks of moving down, right? So we have resistance here, and we rebroke the previous candle low here. We rebroke the previous candle low here too, right? But the problem with the weekly is the exhaustion week here, right? We have exhaustion week that the price is reacting on this level. What this price? 3,885 area. The price is reacting there, right? So on the week, but for me on the week, because the weekly is still open, right? We just open up. There is a high chance that we can re-break the previous candle high on the left, like this, and move down. So it's gonna look like this, right? There is a high chance. Okay, I'm not sure, but as per price actions, you need to re-break. Once you re-break the high on the previous candle wick high, this one, and then start to react on this zone, and then flip, yeah, there is a high chance that we can continue down, rebroke the previous candle low, and push down heavy, right? There is a high chance, okay, on this candle. We still have 4 days and 15 hours left for this candle to close. So I'm gonna expect this because we're moving up, right? We're moving up right now. We have a lot of volume pushing up the price. Let's drop down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Okay, so the daily here we close bearish. All right, we have resistance that create now, and this is the support. We have a support. This is the structure that we are in. So we are in 1,000 pip range. So we rebroke the previous candle low. We start to react here. We have levels that need to be aware of on the left hand side, and the price is moving up here, right? As you can see, we're moving up. We're tapping the resistance again on the lower time frame, and yeah, there is a high chance that we can re-break. So once you re-break that, it will probably push up here heavy like this kind of closure, and retest again the zone. And that's gonna be the weekly top week. And then let's see if we're gonna have some reactions probably tomorrow. If we still pushing up today, yeah, we can re-break this high. Right? That's the daily 4-hour here. So we are in the 4-hour structure. So resistance on the left is this. This is gonna be the resistance. The overall range, I'd say this, right? This, we have a support form here. Overall range is here. So yeah, the same 1,000 pip, 1,300 pip range. So as you can see, we have because we rebroke the previous candle before, we have a kind of low here, and we create a high. As you can see how the candles, closing the structure, high and the low, and we create a high again, and we create a new low. And probably on this 4-hour, we still have 2 hours. For this 4-hour, we might create some new high, or probably on the next 4, right? Like this. Because the structure is kind of bullish on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see how the candles are respecting the high and the low, right? We have a low here. They create a high there. We kind of low here. As you can see, respect, right? This candle respect this, didn't push through here, right? So that's how you're gonna the market structure gonna tell you the story, where's the price gonna headed. So we're just having some hover around here on price because we're topping resistance, right? This resistance is kind of tough, right? We need at least close above the range, enable for you to push heavy, right? Run towards to the upside. So that's the 4. I'm bullish on the 4. But the weekly, yeah, right now I'd say I'm bullish, right? We're pushing up. Daily is pushing up. We rebroke the previous candle low here. But I'm open for sales too, right? We need at least a clean range to push down, right? We need at least that. But right now, we don't have any candles that closing bearish here on price. Yeah. So look at this. 15 are trying to consolidate here. Yeah, let's see on the 30. Yeah, 30. We have resistance to the left. The support is here. Yeah, I'm gonna use this as my resistance. right? This kind of structure zone. All right, this is my resistance, and the support is down here. And we're tapping resistance, right? We're tapping resistance. Any closure, we're heading to the upside. 15. Yep. We're closing above 15 structure. But you have 30s, looks good. Yeah. How many pip we move? Almost 300 pip. Yeah, interesting here. So yeah, this is gonna be my levels so far, chat. Let's see if we're gonna have some reactions here. But I'm not gonna take sells once you tap here. I need at least candle close first. Like candle close, bearish, and structure been made, and that's it. It's Monday. It's Monday day. It's almost hitting resistance. So how are you option for sales? Yeah, we're open for sales. I'm open for sales, but overall bias is bullish today. I'm bullish today. Good morning, gang. How you? Wakeful Love. Good morning. Philip, how you doing? Yeah, how are you? Fine. Thank you. Fine. Shout out to 33 viewers right now. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Morning, Richard. I'm doing good here in Kenya. Shout out from Kenya. Stephen, how you doing? How you doing? Chat, we're topping some different countries here, huh? Really nice, really interesting. Really interesting. Gang, make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. We're near 900 subs. Can we do it this week probably? And before end of the year, we close at least 1K subs. We close 1K subs. Do we have news today? No news yet. Oh, we have 7 p.m. today. PMI. Oh, yeah, it's November, gang. Yeah, we have too many news coming up this week. It's tentative. The US government is still shut down. NFP, yeah, NFP Friday, but I don't know if we'll pop on NFP. I don't think Trump is cooking. Trump is cooking. Cha, be aware on the price. If Trump got tweets about tariff-ish, about China, because right now they're having some communications about China, right? They're having good communications about tariff. So yeah, I mean there is a high chance that the gold can rise up or gold can push down heavy, right? So you need to be aware on that. Probably minimum today, tomorrow, this week minimum. You will see a lot of volume on gold because of that kind of news. Big candles is coming again, like last month, October. They are cooking something. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Right now, we're waiting for a right opportunity, right time. No buenos yet, no buenos. We're pushing up. But the good thing, we're tapping resistance. And as you can see, how the 1 hour candles, the same with the 4. High and the low, high and the low, high and the low, high and the low, high and the low. I'm so happy. Where is your classmate? I don't know, man. Maybe he's slipping. Slipping. He's slipping. I think we go 4050. Yeah, there is a high chance. Yeah. Yeah, we can, push through. Yeah. That's the previous candle high there. Yeah. The daily is moving crazy, as you can see. How many pips we moved today? 650 pips. Half in a day. 650 pips half in a day. Asian London. Oh, makes sense. 4 hour makes sense here. We rebroke this support, trying to move up. Makes sense. Yeah. See, look at that. You're gonna create a high and a low. Right? Create a high and a low. High and a low. But right now, as you can see, the 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you always chat. Here's the thing. For me, when I hop onto the chart and I see the candles move up already, like as you can see, the 30 minutes candle move 7 candles, pushing up, closing bullish. Now I need to ask myself if the next candle is gonna be worth it to push up or no. For me, right? 7 candles are pushing up. The next candle, as for me, the next candle has no business to move up again. I need to wait for retracement now to push up. Right? If you see like the price is moving up, you just hop onto the chart. Right? Let's say, we just hop onto the chart. We start the live stream and the price is moving up. 8 candles, 7 candles, 10 candles. You don't need to have a FOMO. You don't need to do some unnecessary trades or whatever. You just need to wait because right now you have a clear understanding when the market is gonna headed. Because you have a structure create now. We have a bullish structure, right? 30 minutes is enough to say that we are bullish for the day. Candles are pushing up. 7 candles are pushing up bullish. Now, I'd say we need to wait for retracement. Like probably 2 candles. That's enough. If this candle move down, we need to wait for candles to close bullish. To go up again. Retest the high. Right? We can use that on the 30 minutes, 15 minutes time frame. So yeah, let's see here. Let's see. Because bearish, yeah, I'm open for sells too. Right? I'd say I'm open for sells, but I need at least if this re-break the low, the high, yeah, that's good. I need the support or this kind. If we move down, okay, that's okay. I need the support here, and the next candle close below the support. Move down, boom. It's gonna be the idea. Eric, what's up? How you doing? Eric, how you doing? We got the trades this morning already, chat. Let me know. Drop it in the chat. We got some buys. We got some sells. Let me know in the chat. I'm not TTE, bro. I'm in TTE. W buys. Wow, good job. W morning, Eric. Wow, good job, man. Would you look at that? Got some buys too. I didn't take any buys yet. I didn't take any sells yet. I didn't take any trades yet. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Per 031, yeah, there is a high chance that we can top, man. The 30 and the hourly candles are pushing up. We might see 4036 or 40 up here, 4050. Because the daily, yeah, the daily is moving up. So let's see. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. For our topping resistance, gonna be interesting here. Gonna be interesting. Four minutes for candle to close. Nothing for me. Yeah, good job, Riz. Waiting. Yeah, waiting is the name of the game. Waiting is the name of the game. You know how we do in and out. Let's go. Would you look at that? They're eating. How much today, Eric? 10%, minimum 10% a day. This guy is minimum 10% a day. They're 10% a day. Just little 34 pips. Yeah. 34 pips with the 10 lot. Holy. $34 pips with the 10 lot size. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Shout out to 41 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Make sure you drop a like, subs to the channel. If you want to follow the IG, link is in description below for more trading content. Subs to the channel, gang. Close above 4020 level. Finally, we expect to pump straight up DP. Yeah, this one. Here. Interesting, right? Interesting. Clean traffic towards to the upside. Damn it. Is the level, yeah, it's too strong because that's the 4-hour resistance. That's the hourly resistance, 4-hour resistance, daily resistance too. We have resistance that we need to be aware of. So 4-hour resistance, yeah, it's so tough. As you can see, 4 candles. How many can? 1, 2, 3, 4 candles are topping. There's no closing above the range, right? And as you can see, if there's no close above, there is no chance that we can push up. All right, that's the price action is gonna tell you the story. We have a resistance on the left. This is gonna be the resistance on the 4. And if there's no candle are closing above, there's no business to move up. If this candle's starting to hover around on price, there is no chance that we can move up. Probably if this candle respect again, on the next 4-hour candle, you're gonna see that re-break the high and move down. We never know, but that's the idea, you know. That's the price action is gonna tell you the story. We always stopping resistance, respect. So yeah, kind of next candle will push down. All right, 15 minutes candle gonna close. No sells for me yet, chat. No sells. I don't want to take sells here, even though we close. We close bearish, re-break the previous candle high. I need to wait for support form. I need to wait for this support form, and then close below, so we can grab some sells. No top wick too. It was a good range buy in the resistance zone. Yeah, true that. The volume there, yeah, was aware. You know, sweet. Let's see how this 30 minutes candle gonna close. Yeah, no top wick. All right, we're pushing down. Chat, any questions? Let me know in the chat if you have any questions. Can I see 20 likes in the stream? Like the stream, gang. Like the stream. Subs to the channel. Isn't it considered rejection after, coach? Yeah, I'd say it's rejection because we have structure on the left, but I cannot confirm that the next candle gonna move down, okay? Because we have a clean traffic here towards to the downside. So for me, if the candle, I'm gonna watch this, right? If the candle wants to move down on the next, I'm gonna watch, and I'm gonna wait for candle to close bullish so I can take buys up. Because it's resistance zone. It doesn't mean when we're tapping resistance zone, it doesn't mean that we're gonna react, right? If there is a lot of volume, we're heading to the resistance zone, there is a high chance that we can push up heavy. Okay, because this kind of structure is meant to be broken if we have a lot of volume. When the London Open, London Session, NY Open, NYSE Open, the zone, The support zone, the resistance zone is meant to be broken all the time when we have a lot of volume into the market. How we gonna look at that when the session is open? You're gonna see that on the candles, how the candles are pushing up, how the candles are big, right? Makes sense? Let's see how this 15 gonna close. If this 15 close bullish with a small body, now we have a new support, right? Once we have a new support, like probably close doji, you have new support. Now we're gonna wait for candle to close below so we can grab some sells here. That's gonna be the idea. Alrighty. Shout out to 48 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Drop a like, subs to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. W analysis. Thank you, Eric. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's the top wick. That's the top wick. Topping wick. Let's see how the 30 gonna close. Too many wicks on the left. This kind of wicks we need to be aware of, even though there's no support. Right? This kind of wick we need to be aware of, because in the 15 minutes time frame, it's kind of rejection wicks. Look at that. Would you look at that? This one. See that support? Too many support, and we're gonna drop up to 30 minutes. There's no support yet. But if we're gonna drop down to the 15, a lot of support. So in this kind of structure, you need to be aware of if we're taking sell, right? So yeah, let's see. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. How many pip we're moving down here? Oh, we have 100 pip. So yeah, we need to be aware of structure here too. Probably clean range. Close probably below for moving down. Yep. Let's see. Let's see here, chat. The price is moving up when we hop onto the chart, right? So we have bullish structure, we have bullish momentum. Now this is the retracement that we need to be. So once you top here, probably, and then create some bullish candle. Yeah, we might take buys up. Onion. No, I cannot take this as an onion because didn't close below the range too. Right? We have a range here. It's gonna be the range, so didn't close below, so I cannot take that as an sell. Makes sense, chat? We good? 15 minute form the top wick. Yeah, we have a top wick here, but we didn't close below here. We have the levels. This is the levels, the previous levels that we close above and push up. So yeah, I don't wanna take sells yet, right? But I'm open for sells. I need right now a closure, bullish closure, and probably close below that range to push down. If we're gonna push down heavy, right? In the 4 hour reacting, we're about to flip. If this candle flip, yeah, we might see some drop at least this here. You might see that. Probably close below. Right? Because we respect the resistance. And we might go down and close below the range, push down again, retest the low, the daily flip. Yeah, that's gonna be it. But let's see here, chat. 6 minutes for the 30. The 1 hour is still open. We're pushing down. How many pip we move? Or 111 pip. So once you re-break the 1 hour lows, the previous 1 hour lows, yeah, we're gonna see some move here. Probably. Alright, this is gonna be the range 1. Right, the 15 is gonna be the range 1, okay? Range 1, range 2. Who's on sales here right now, chat? We got some sales. Let me know in the chat if we got some sales. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Ooh, we're melting, chat. We're melting. Holy, we re-break the previous candle lows. Damn. Full TP, yeah. W. Good job. See the previous 15-minute, would you enter on the re-break of the low when the 15 was forming the top wick? The top above was simply sizing. This one? Yeah, I can, because we re-broke the previous candle low here. But we just hop onto the chart. We see the price is moving up. All right. So for me, I just don't want to take a trade like impulse trade like this because we form some resistance. And I see the price didn't close below too. The candles are didn't close below. This is the previous structure, right? That we need to be aware of in the 15. And the price, as you can see, close above the range. That's why we're moving up. So if this candle closed below, yeah, I probably gonna take that sell. But yeah, I mean it's okay. I don't have any FOMO, so yeah, right now I need to wait. So we're tapping the support here, right? We're in the range 1. Range 1 is going to be range 2. Range 2, range 2. Rejecting on the support. Interesting. Would you look at that? We rebroke the lows on the 1, right? Now we're having some retracement. 30 minutes candle is about to close. Rebroke all the low. Oh no, not this. This one. And if you're gonna look on the 15, we have a structure, we have a support that we need to be aware of. No closures yet. Dun, 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 dun. Waiting time. Waiting. Yeah, that's good. Fade on the 30. Yeah, that's kind of good idea. But I'm not using the fade setup. I don't wanna. I know I'm not using that fade setup. Might go up after tapping the supporter and 1 close with no top wick expected. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. No bottom wick open. No bottom wick. No closure below. Yeah, no closure below. We need the closure below. We need the closure below, sure. $20 to 50 pips. Wow. I mean, that's good. $20 to 50 pips. Yeah. For me, I only take 10 to 15 pips. Shout out to 56 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. Make sure to drop a like, subs to the channel. If you're new here in the channel, drop a likes and subs to the channel. Drop a like, subs. All right, let's see if we're gonna close below or respect once again. For our flip, wow, for our flip, re-broke the 4-hour candle. We might see some move down. We're re-broking the low. The stop's gonna be big. Mm-hmm. 10 minutes per candle to close. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Do-do-do-do. Chat, any questions? Any buenos in your mind right now? Drop it in the chat. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know, let me know. Boom, 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 boom. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Dun, 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 dun. Goldie. Goldie, Goldie. Chad, do you have any questions? Let me know. Tudum. Tudum, tudum. Tudum, tudum. 5 minutes chat. Ooh, we're closing bullish. Nice. Oh, was that rejection? Holy. Do 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 do. Dun, dun, dun. Closing below the range. We are closing above or below the range. Below. Below, sure. Oh, we're closing bullish. Damn. We chat. All right, lock in here, gang. We might have some. We might have some buys here. Locking in. Mhm. We need the sorry, we need the bottom wick on the next. We might create bottom wick. We need the top wick too. We need a top wick. Right. All right, this should be good. I'm gonna put a buy stop on the re-break of the high here. Buy stop. Rebroke of the high on the 15. That should be fine to move. Rebroke. Buy stop. Buy stop, alright, Chan? Not buy right now. No. Buy stop. Buy stop. Stops gonna be, we're gonna use the current candle. Stops. Once you rebroke the high on the left, yeah, we should move up here. We should move up. For our candle, yeah. Should move up. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna re-break that high. If not, it's okay. If not, it's okay. If this candle close below, yeah, we might take some sells. That's it, you know. That's how we're gonna play the range today. What's my TP? The TP should be up here. Full TP 4026 or 4025, around those price. And yeah, if we're gonna be activated here, the trade should be like this. And full TP probably up here. And the stops, I'm gonna use this kind of low. Like that. Or the low of this current candle. That's the low. You need to see the low if you're gonna be activated. Once we rebroke the previous candle low, I'm gonna delete the buy stop. So the trade should be like this once we are activated. But if not, it's okay. If this candle close below the range, yeah, we might take some sells to move down. That's gonna be nice. Gonna be interesting. Told you we're open for buys and sells today. Depends how the market candles shows up. Market candles, market structure, trend. We're trend bullish. We're bullish today. Oh yeah. We look good. Yeah, we need to see a re-break of the high. Once we see that, we gonna shoot up. Shoot up. Wait. Doom, 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 doom. Boom, 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 boom. Can we push? Can we push? Yeah, 30 minutes re-break. The current candle should pops up. Should pops. Do, 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 do. All right, Chad, there you go. Can we re-break? Not yet, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. One more pops and we're gonna be activated here. One more pop. Yeah, careful on spread. Yeah, be careful, Chow, on spread, okay? Be careful on spread here. All right, gang, I'm activated on buys here. Activated on buys here. Rebroke the previous candle high. We might see some push. Yeah. So as per the plan, I'm gonna put my stops on the rebroke of the low. And let's see if we're gonna move up here. That's the idea today. Let's go. Activated. Oh, holy, we rebroke the highs and we're trying to move down. Holy. Can we push up right now, gold? Push up, gold. Push up. Push, push, push. Goldie. Goldie, I know you wanna push, Goldie. Doop. All right, can we push through now? Gold. Can we push through now, Goldie? We re-broking the highs. Why you're not pushing through? Goldie doesn't want to push. 5 minutes for candle to close. It's not pushing up. Boom, 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 boom. The 30 should close bullish here. Once this 30 close bullish, yeah, we might have support form, and then the next candle might push up. This 30 should close bullish, and we might see this on the next. That's gonna be, yeah, the 4-hour open too. Yung po ano. Oh, the timing of the 4 change. The closure of the 4 is 2 p.m. now. Okay. Okay. I thought that's gonna be the new 4. What time the market open today? 3 o'clock? Hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Mm-hmm. Goldie, you're playing around, Goldie. Goldie is really playing. Three minutes per candle closure. 30 minutes, yeah, should close bullish. It's interesting here. 30 minutes close bullish. Yeah, I might add position here. If this 30 close bullish, yeah, I might add once the candle flip. Here. So let's see. We need to see that close bullish. Give me a second, gang. On the next 15, once you rebroke this, man, should pops up here. Should pops up. If not, we're closing below. It's good for sell. Probably in the next, like this. Good for sell. 1 minute for candle to close. Man, can we push now? Can we push 100 pips? Can we push 100 pips here? Can we push 100 pips? Man, you should close with the top wick. If this candle close no top wick, chime, I'm gonna manage the risk here. It's not look good. Can we close with the top wick? 30 minutes will close no top wick too. All right. Yeah, I'm moving stops to break even right now, chat. I'm moving stops. We might see no top wick closure here. And yeah, let it run here. 26 pips. I'm closing for right here, chat. 26 pips. Holy! W's in the chat. That's the late candle volume, bro. Hey. Damn, chat. I told you guys we're gonna take some buys today. We're pretty buys today. I closed full at 26 on the dot here, as you can see. On the dot, on the line. Close full. W. W's in the chat. Let's go, man. I want to see some W's in the chat. I want to see that W's in the chat. It pushed so hard when it rebroke the low, right? Rebroke the high. And I expecting that would close without any top wick. Expecting that close without any top wick, but it's okay. Close full at 26 pips. That's the dub. 26 pip. It's okay. We're gonna take that. 26 pips. W. Rebreak. Previous candle, yeah. It's onion. Buy gold, London. 12:45 p.m. It's 12:45. Wait, gang, wait. It's a new month today, so I'm gonna put this on the here. 26 W. 15 on previous onion, buy gold, London. 12:45 p.m. and 11/3/2025. Yup, that's the dub there, chat. Holy, how much you got there, gang? Let me see in the chat. Oh. Yeah, can you spam W's in the chat here? I want to see some W's in the chat. Spam some dubs. I want to make some stories today, gang. Spam some W's in the chat. Spam some dubs. Let's go. Yeah, just spam some W's in the chat. Let's go, gang. Just continue spamming chat. Spamming some W's in the chat. Let's go. All right. Thank you, gang. Thank you. Let's go, chat. Let's go. W's in the chat. Let's. Oh. 45th today. W risk. Chat, make sure you like the stream. Damn, like the stream chat. Can I see 20 likes in the stream or 30 likes in the stream? Like the stream, gang. Let's go. What's our signal entry? We just take the cell already. All right, chat. Ooh, W still holding. W, yeah. If you guys still holding the trade, congratulations, gang. And that's you, right? That's you, that not me. Right? You guys took the trade. I give you guys the opportunity to take the trades, and you guys that click that bottom, not me, okay? That's you. Right? I'm here to guide you every single day, Monday through Friday, and that's your trade, gang. That's the trade. That's the dub. Congratulations. Right? For the people that tuning into the live stream every single day, you guys are winner. You guys are winner, chat. That's the dub. That's the dub. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Take the dubs. Dubs. True, down for the day. Yeah, when you're calling a day, when you're calling a day, make sure you go call it a day and do something else. Yeah, that's true. That true, Kelly. You're good. Gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah, you need to enjoy your day. You need to enjoy the day, gang. You don't need to hop onto the chart every time, right? Just enjoy your day. Once you're done trading, close all the mobiles. Don't look at the chart. Close all the computers, laptop, and then enjoy the rest of the day. Do something else, right? Go for a walk, go for a jogging, right? Too many winners today. W. W month open. Let's go, Eric. Ooh, holy chat. The late candle volume, I don't like this kind of late candle volume because of yeah, it's candle open to the 1 hour candle open. We rebroke all the highs. Holy. Here. Here. We about to rebroke this. We might shoot up here. Is you still holding, Eric? I believe you're still holding, huh? You are huddlers. You're one of the huddlers. Swing swing. Open a new trade. Oh, you're overtrading now, Eric. Eric. Or don't do like that. Don't playing Eric. What's on entry? Wow, too many. Oh, Eric. No, we don't do that. Yeah, W. I'm just playing, bro. I'm just playing. Where you got some buys? You guys on the re-break this buys or on the flip? Oh, today the time change. So 2 p.m. Oh, what time? 2. What time is the close of the next 4 candle? 2, 3. Oh, 6 p.m. NYSE adjust. What day? What time is the NYSE open today? Normally they open 4 a.m. NYSE gonna open 6:30 p.m. Dubai time. We smash DP. Yeah, true that. Let's go. 2 p.m. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Oh yeah, London Open. This is the London session volume chat. So London Open start at 12 p.m. today. Yeah, today start at 12. 12. Yeah, it's okay. 6:30 p.m. is the NYSE today because yeah, we adjust the time zone, I believe. Yeah. Yeah, London session. We just start London session. Chat. I might call it stream here. I think we're done today. We're done streaming. Chat. If you guys got the same trade with me, W's in the chat. And yeah, For the NYSE, you guys, if you guys got the dubs today, don't overtrade, don't over risk later tonight. Okay, just protect your profit today. And I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right?
Check.
So yeah, chat. Check.
Whoa,
Let's
whoa.
go. W's
Yeah,
in the chat.
yeah.
I'm out here.
I'm
Thank
so
you guys.
happy I'm
Peace.
alive today.
Hey.
I'm so happy I can see the light.
W's in the chat. Let's
It don't
go.
matter if it's rain or shine today.
Hey.
Cause I know the God is on my side.
I just love to vibe, chat. Let's go. Peace out.
Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today. Don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love, no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today. Cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today. Don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, and if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are his best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that he loves you and he can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today. Cause I know the God is on my side today. Hey, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today. Don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe and I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince would do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey.